Welcome back. Have you ever tried to enter some data like 0011, 0023 into Excel? You probably quickly notice that Excel will automatically remove the leading zeros from any number. This can be really annoying if you want those leading zeros in your data and you don't know how to make Excel keep them. Most of us have had difficulties when we try to enter a number that begins with a leading zero, like tax registration number or zip codes. So we want to find a solution that leaves with leading the zero intact. The quickest way to make Excel understand that I'm entering a number with a leading zero is to add a single apostrophe before the value, or as you call it, a single quote. Let's try it in cell E2. Type a single quote 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and press enter. It works because Excel treats the value as a test. Notice that an error flag, a small green triangle, appeared in the cell's upper left corner. Let's click on the sign and it says that a number is stored as a test. If you try to convert the value to a number, the leading zero disappears. Of course, the error flag is not a problem and we can ignore it. If I have to enter many numbers with a leading zero, then I prefer first to highlight the cells that value will be entered. And from number format cells option, click special and then select a zip code. Now, whatever number is entered, the leading zero remains. Keep in mind that there are more ways to solve the leading zero problems, like formatting the numbers as test values, add custom formatting to format numbers with leading zeros, or use functions like the text function and write function. As you know, in Excel, there are many ways to accomplish the same thing. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson.